What's up guys, Daniel from Beardster here, and today we're going to talk about how to use beard oil and beard butter. Over the last 5 weeks, these two products, the beard oil and beard butter, have been my go-to beard care products. I've used them every single day, either on their own or a combination of the two, just to get the absolute most from each of them. So today I thought it'd be useful just to go over my beard care routine today, kind of what I've been doing, and show you guys, so all of you in your beard growing journeys can maybe pick up a few tips and yeah, get something from this video. So for any of you that don't know, beard oil is great for conditioning the skin beneath the beard, and it's also great at softening these beard hairs. Now this is exactly what you need when you're growing out a beard. If it's for the first time, or you're just regrowing a beard because you've done what I've done and, you know, taking it all back and then growing it out again, because these initial early beard hairs can be really quite coarse, rough and harsh, especially when they're really short. Until they start bending over, they don't really get too much flexibility, and beard oil can really help soften those and just make your beard feel that, you know, that little bit softer. Beard butter oil, on the other hand, is designed as a moisturiser. It's like a moisturising cream of sort. Beard butter is made up of only natural butters and natural oils, whereas, for example, the beard oil is made up of only natural oils. So it's designed to give your skin and beard hair as many nutrients, healthy fats and conditioning properties, and this ensures that the beard and skin never dries out and you don't get the dreaded dandruff. So guys, I hope you find this video really useful. I know a lot of people have various different beard care sort of routines and techniques, and I've worn a beard for a long time now, and this is one of many iterations of it, and going for the year that I'm paying particular attention to my skincare and beard care routines. So if you get anything whatsoever out of this video, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, you know, just ring the bell, as you will then be notified every Sunday and Thursday when we go live. And it would also be great to hear from you in the comments below. So for this particular routine today, I'm going to show you how to use beard oil and how to use beard butter. Now you can use each one singular, or you can use them as a combination. I find using beard oil first and then just using the beard butter almost as a finishing product. It's a really good combination here, and it just kind of gives your face a double whammy of just goodness, because the butter has a bunch of ingredients and a bunch of benefits that you can't get in an oil, because some of those butters have so many really good fatty acids in them, and you just don't get that from the oils. So starting off with the beard oil, you want to apply the beard oil directly into your hand, and we are actually transitioning our beard oil sort of bottles at the moment. So we've actually got the spray pumps at the moment, and I'm actually switching it over to the pipettes because I just want some greater control, and I think the pipettes do that. So depending on what bottle you've got, either spray 1 or 2 sprays into your hand, or maybe 2 to 4 drops with a pipette. And then you just want to work that beard oil into your hands. And you don't want to overdo it, but you want to warm it up. And by warming it up, you're going to reactivate a bunch of those carrier oils, and more importantly, those essential oils. And this is when you really bring the scent out of a product. I mean, I've tried various different beard oils throughout my time, and now we're obviously making them as Beardster. And one thing I always notice is that people sometimes smell a beard oil and they're like, oh, I can't really smell that. And the reason is you do need to warm these essential oils up to get the most out of them. And that pretty much goes for any beard oil I've ever tried. So the next point isn't to apply it directly to the beard hair, it's actually to get under the beard and apply the beard oil directly to your skin. And you want to pay particular attention to the mustache region, the chin region, and under the chin, sort of around here, and in general just the neck beard. I find a lot of guys just kind of get some beard oil on their hands, they slap it on their cheeks, sort of work it in like this, maybe apply it to, if they've got a longer beard, they just sort of work it all the way through, and then that's kind of it. They might then just put a little bit on the mustache, but actually you're missing a key part of the process there. You need to apply it directly to your skin, because if you're not getting the oil to your skin is inevitably going to dry out and you're going to get bearddruff. So dandruff around your face, dry skin, you get that cracking sort of feeling, you get a bit of discomfort and pain if it gets really bad, and beard oil can stop that, so it makes sense to do your skin first. So at present I've got a shorter beard, so I don't actually need to apply that much product. So once I've coated my skin adequately enough with beard oil, I'll only apply 1 or 2 more sprays or drops of beard oil for the beard hair, and then I'll just work it in, starting off with the palms of my hands, go into the side of the beard. I'll apply some over the chin, the neck beard, the mustache, and it doesn't really matter what order I kind of do it in. I just want to get absolute coverage and make sure every part of hair is covered. So I finish this off just using my small folding Kent comb. It's brilliant for a short beard, it's really good for the mustache, and I just comb the entire beard and I kind of start training the beard right now. We're not going to talk too much about training the hairs, it's pretty much just making sure your beard hair goes in the direction you want it to, but it is important to do that, and we'll cover that off in a video in the next month or so. Now, by combing the beard, you're actually spreading that beard oil all across your skin, all across your beard, and you're just making sure you've covered all your areas, and you're just tidying up the beard to make sure it looks good. So beard butter can be used on its own. It does a really good job on its own, and most days I will use either a beard oil or a beard butter in the morning and then the other one in the evening, just to make sure I'm getting all the benefits from these products. But maybe once or twice a week I like to use both at the same time, and I always use the beard oil first, like I said, and then the beard butter, because beard butter can be a great finishing product as well. It doesn't give you like a crazy hold like a balm or a wax in terms of like you can get some curl or anything, but it does set the beard in a good shape, especially if you've got a longer beard, and it also does so with a matte finish. Actually, you use beard butter very similar to beard oil. You just want to scoop an amount of beard butter out, and I'm only going to use a tiny bit because I've already got the beard oil in and I've actually got a very short beard at present. Now you just want to work the beard butter in your hands, so pretty much like with the beard oil, you worked it in, you warmed up the oil. You don't want to go that far with the beard butter, you just want to gently work it in, and you still want to be able to see some of the creamy beard butter on there. So I work in the beard butter slightly differently. I really kind of slap it onto my face, use my palms, just really kind of work it into the beard, and then I use my fingertips to get to the skin, and I just really work it all over the face, the mustache, the neck beard and the chin. I really focus on those areas, and obviously the side of the beard as well. I always apply beard butter to the rest of my face. I apply it to my forehead, my eyebrows, my cheeks, because beard butter is designed as a facial skin moisturiser and beard moisturiser. I really like to get the most out of it, and using it over the rest of my face really helps keep the skin in good condition, especially as you get a bit older. You want your skin to look good. Now with the beard butter, you can just use your hands to style it, especially if you've got a longer beard. You can work it through. With a shorter beard, you can just sort of place it into the direction you want using your hands, or finish it off as with the beard oil and just use a comb to finish off the beard and put the hair in the direction you want it to sit. That's really it. That's all you need to do. And I really would encourage you to experiment with your products. Work out how much beard oil your beard actually needs. Work out how much beard butter it needs, how much balm, etc. So just follow this sort of process each and every day, and your beard and skin are going to feel incredible, and you just cannot go wrong. Thanks so much for watching, guys. It's been my pleasure. We'll see you on Thursday. Until then, goodbye.